Alright, today we're going to do a video on this 05 Ram 2500. No, it's a 3500. Came in with a smoky exhaust. Did a buzz test on all the injectors, and they all seem to be fine except number one. So we tested that, and we are going to be replacing it. This particular truck has a really bad sludging issue, as you can see. Now this isn't like those 6.0s that use a Huey injector. These are actually common rail electrical injectors. So, but we're going to do a BG service on it, desludging, and we use the 3-pack here. Works really good for that. And so there you go, injector.